Hello everyone. So in this video, I will be showing you how to add a size chart in Shopify. So the first thing we need to do is simply go to Online Store and then go down to Pages. And then we click on Add Page at the top right. And then we name this size chart, for example. And then we could manually insert a table if you wanted to. But there's an easier way, which is using it with AI. So I'm going to provide it in the description below. So I'm going to enter in a command. And then we click on Generate. And wait for it to load a bit. And then once that's done, we click on Keep. And then we just adjust the sizes that fits our product. So for example, your product is 25 inches and 32 to 36. You can just adjust that. And once you're done and content with that, you can just click on Save. Now you have a size chart. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.